Oh, what you're looking at here is the my modification of the Estes launch control system. Basically, it's still using the Estes launch control system. It's still got the safety key, the light, but I basically added higher gauge wire, and we have a nice gel cell pack here pushing about 7 volts, about 10 amps, because we needed to get the ability to fire 3 engines at once. So basically, from that spool of wire, it goes out to a connector panel that allows up to 4 leads. Doing these leads, these would go down to the igniters in the engines. Here I've connected together because when you have it connected, even though you haven't launched it or pushed down that launch button key, you should get a light. Now, my light here is a little bit dim, so I'm going to end up taking this all apart because it is about 20 years old, and I'll clean up any rust or anything that might be blocking it, and then I'll do a baseline test at the end or at the beginning just to see what I'm getting in voltage at the end for the igniter, and then come back and clean up some things. But I think it's just because it's got some rust in the module here. Normally this would just be simple, you know, four AA batteries in there, but again, this is much easier to do. But again, this is your safety, but it lets you know. Here's the key. If you pull the key, the light goes out, and that means you keep the key with you as a parent. You don't want the kids launching on you. The other end of this key is basically a tab, and that goes over your launch rod so you don't fall into it and poke out your eyeball. So there you go. There's the modification of the launch system.